For those who have a rattling sound, because this piece here is like doesn't have a proper gasket, so you can take like some like tape, black tape like this one or any kind of other tape, and you can create a little gasket like this and insert between here and the cover. The button will be a little bit hard to press, but at least when you're running, you will not listen to the rattling sound that this kind of cover does. So I've bought like these ones, MiTrue Wireless Earbuds Basic 2. I had an old one like this one. This one is like old version, bought 5 years ago and worked perfectly. But I lost the other one, and so I decided to buy the new ones. Like for listen to podcasts while training, they are pretty good. They are pretty cheap, like €10, something like that. But I like last ones. I had issues with the charging. They didn't charge full charge, and with this one, and the piece on the left side had the rattling noise. These both left and right side have the rattling noise. So I'm installing this, and yeah, it will fix that. If you guys have any issue with this kind of earpiece, just do that, and it should be a simple fix instead of doing the whole RMA process of sending to the shop that I bought, and it will probably it's like a defect or something like that. So yeah, this is a pretty easy and cheap solution that should solve the issue.